Hey guys, what's going on? Smart Tech Tom here. Today we're going to talk about the Google Home Mini. The Google Home Mini is a smart speaker with Google Assistant built in. The Google Home Mini is a compact package that comes in just under 50 bucks. It comes in three colors: coral, chalk, and charcoal. I picked up the charcoal. Let's go ahead and unbox this and take a look. Has a compact, lightweight design. Other items in here, we have a get started manual, get to know your, with a 5 volt 1.8 amp power adapter using a micro USB port. Also on the back side we have a speaker on and off button. You can turn off your speaker or turn it on and it's always listening. It's got a nice anti-skid rubber foot pad, so it will pretty much stay on any surface. With the Google Home Mini, you stream entertainment to your TV or speakers using just your voice when you pair the Google Home with the Chromecast or Bluetooth speakers. The Google Home Mini works with many companies such as JBL, LG, Sony, Vizio, and many others. You can also control your smart home products from companies like Philips Hue, LifeX, Wemo, and Nest. Let's go ahead and plug it in and get it set up.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay, from here we're going to open up the Google Home app, which works with Android and iOS devices. We're going to set up a device. Choose a home. Next. Google Home Mini was found. Would you like to set up this device? Yes. It's connecting to the Google Home Mini. And we're connected. Did you hear the sound? Yes. Help improve Google Home Mini. Automatically share device stats and crash reports with Google to improve the experience. Go ahead, I'm in. Where is this device? We're going to put this device down in the living room. We're going to connect to Wi-Fi. And voila, we're connected. Before using your Google Assistant, here are a few things you need to know. Google partners, services, all that. Yes. Teach your assistant to recognize your voice. Google Match helps your Google Assistant identify your voice on assistant devices and tell you apart from others. Okay. Your assistant can already recognize your voice. It looks like you've already set up Google Match with another Google Assistant device. Get personal results with your voice. Voice Match has been set up. Now you can turn on personal results to use your voice to access counter more on this device. You can turn off this. Blah, blah, blah. I agree. Enter your address. Confirm. And we're all done. Hit continue, and the living room speaker is now ready. So let's explore what it can do.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
So you'll activate the device by just saying, "Hey Google, what's the weather?"
Right now in Tracy it's 54 and partly cloudy. The forecast tonight is 51 and partly cloudy.
Or you can ask it things like, "Hey Google, play some music."
Playing some music on Pandora.
Okay Google, stop. You can adjust the volume by just tapping on the sides or turning it up, turning it down. Okay Google, stop. Or you can ask it questions such as, "Hey Google, how do you say nice to meet you in Korean?"
In Korean, that's
만나서 반갑습니다.
Or you can use it for productivity purposes and ask it questions to get stuff done, such as, "Hey Google, tell me about my day."
Hi, Thomas. It is 6:54 p.m. Currently in Tracy it's 54 and partly cloudy. The forecast tonight is 51 and partly cloudy. Have a nice day. Here's the latest news from Fox News at 6 p.m. today.
This is a Fox News alert. I'm Steve Rappaport. Lives lost in an instant.
Hey Google, stop. Hey Google, set a timer for 30 seconds.
All right, 30 seconds. Starting now.
You can also have fun with it, such as, okay Google, tell me a joke.
One joke coming up. I once fell in love with an encyclopedia. I was completely infatuated.
Hey Google, what sound does a whale make?
This is a whale.
And there's your alarm. Hey Google, stop. Hey Google, what does a horse say?
This is a horse.
That's a horse. There you have it, guys, the Google Home Mini unboxed and set up. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button down there in the bottom corner. And if you liked the video, just give it a thumbs up. And until next time, peace.